Just getting in some of my physical activity for the day.
Hi there, my name is Tori and I'm a nutrition educator at Eat Right Philly. Now I know you have been learning all about how to make healthier choices when it comes to your food, but there is something else you need to remember when it comes to living a healthy lifestyle. That's right, exercise, also known as physical activity. Let's start with what physical activity is and why it is so important. What is physical activity? Physical activity is any movement that uses energy. Why is physical activity so important? Physical activity is important because it promotes health and fitness. Here are some examples of the benefits of physical activity. It helps to maintain a healthy body weight. It helps us to have stronger muscles and bones. We can have fun with friends and family while being physically active. It helps to prevent health problems. It helps us to sleep well at night. It helps us to get better grades at school and to feel better about yourself. So how much physical activity do you need every day? That's right. Children and teens need at least 60 minutes or 1 hour of moderate to vigorous physical activity every day. How do you know if your activity is moderate to vigorous? When your heart rate increases and your breathing becomes quickened. The easiest way to determine if your activity is moderate to vigorous is the talk test. If you can hold a normal conversation with a friend while you are exercising, you are not at a moderate to vigorous intensity. Try to move a little faster. Do the best you can to get in moderate to vigorous activities each day. Also, the 60 minutes does not need to be done all at once. It can be broken up into short bursts of 10 minutes or more to be added up to your full 60 minutes a day. For example, if you take a walk to the park every day for some fresh air and it takes 10 minutes to get there and 10 minutes to walk home, that is 1/3 of your physical activity for the day. Now that we know how much physical activity we need, let's talk about the different types of physical activity there are. There are 4 different types of physical activity, and each one is important for the overall health of our body. The first type is aerobic activity. The second, muscle strengthening. The third, bone strengthening. And the fourth, balance and stretching. Let's start with aerobic activities. Aerobic activities are exercises that get your heart beating faster and quicken your breathing. Some examples of aerobic activities are running, dancing, and jumping rope. Try to get some aerobic exercise every day. The next, muscle strengthening. This type of exercise can help to make your muscles stronger. Some examples of muscle strengthening exercises are push-ups, weightlifting, and sit-ups. Try to do some muscle strengthening activities at least 3 times a week. The next exercise is bone strengthening. These are exercises that produce force on your bones that promote growth and strength. They are also called weight-bearing activities. Some examples are playing sports like basketball, jumping rope, or any other activity where your body goes against the force of gravity. Try to do some bone strengthening activities at least 3 times a week. And our last type of activity, balance and stretching. These types of exercises improve your ability to be steady and flexible in order to reduce the risk of injury. Some examples are stretching, dancing, and yoga. Try to get some balance and stretching in every day. Great job, everyone. Let's end this lesson with a movement break. And remember that eating well and being physically active for at least 60 minutes every day is the best way to maintain a healthy lifestyle.